Here's a really simple pattern that's a great example of how to use the Petitjean Magic Tools. This is a version of the CDC Caddis, and it uses only CDC feathers for the body of the fly. Take some olive thread and attach it onto your hook, then cut off the tag end. Next, take some light dun CDC feathers, selecting the longest feather possible, and put it into your magic tool table clip. Then take the other clip, grabbing the fibers, and open the table clip. This way you get both sides of the feathers into your split thread. Cut off the stem of the feather very carefully, trying to keep as many fibers as possible. Next, take a sharp bodkin and split your thread. Keep your index finger in between the two strands of thread while you take your magic tool and place the fibers of the CDC feather in between the strands. Move your index finger to lock the feathers into place, and then give it a twist with your fingers before spinning your bobbin. Just like a dubbin loop, we'll dub the feathers onto the hook, pulling back the fibers as we go. Once you run out of feathers, repeat the process one more time to add a bit more bulk. Do a couple whip finishes and cut your thread loose. Then cut off any unruly fibers to give the fly some shape. Lastly, add a drop of head cement, and there you have it, a simple one-material CDC caddis fly. To see more videos like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe.